Have you ever been confused by the different types of actions in Unity? It can be a bit overwhelming, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the differences between UnityEngine.Events.UnityAction and System.Action. I totally get it. Many developers struggle with understanding these two types of actions, especially when they are trying to optimize their code. You're not alone in this confusion, and it's a common question in the Unity community. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, what is the difference between UnityEngine.Events.UnityAction and System.Action? Can I use System.Action in Unity? And can I use Lambda expressions as UnityAction? If you've ever wondered about these topics, stick around as we explore the answers. So what's the difference? UnityEngine.Events.UnityAction is specifically designed for Unity's event system, while System.Action is a more general delegate type from the .NET framework. Understanding this distinction is crucial for effective coding in Unity. And don't go anywhere. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand these concepts, but also learn how to use them effectively in your Unity projects. To understand the difference between UnityEngine.Events.UnityAction and System.Action, let's start with UnityAction. UnityAction is a delegate type specifically designed for Unity's event system. On the other hand, System.Action is a more general delegate type provided by the .NET framework. It can be used in any C# application, not just Unity. Now, regarding the user's question about using System.Action in Unity, the answer is yes. Unity fully supports System.Action, and it can be used for event handling. Lastly, the user asked if they can use Lambda expressions as UnityAction. The answer is also yes. Lambda expressions can be assigned to UnityAction delegates. Fun fact, did you know that Unity was originally developed as a game engine for macOS? It has come a long way since then, supporting multiple platforms and becoming a favorite among developers worldwide. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user clarifies that you can indeed use System.Action in Unity, and you can also use Lambda expressions as UnityAction. They provide an example showing that both System.Action and UnityAction can be defined in the same way, using a Lambda to log the name of a game object. Here's a pro tip. When working with events in Unity, prefer UnityAction for better integration with Unity's event system. It can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You now understand the differences between UnityEngine.Events.UnityAction and System.Action and how to use them effectively. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more Unity tips and tricks. Keep coding and happy developing.